Now let's go to the next one. This OpenAI chat model. Here, you can search it here again from the top right, plus search OpenAI chat model. Click on OpenAI chat model, and we can add by creating a new credential and adding an API key. To get an API key, we will move to, we'll open platform.openai.com/settings. Yes, this is the URL that you will need to open. So the page opens, and on the left side, you will click on API keys. Here, I already have one API key created, but we'll create a new one, create a new secret key, give it any name. It's optional though. Then you can select the projects, choose the default project which is already there. Then you can give it permissions. If you want to give it all the permissions restricted or read only. So to start with, I would suggest go for all the permissions, because we are testing it for our personal use. Only when the other ones are required are the cases when you allow others in your team to access this API key. So for now, we will choose all and create secret key. Make sure to copy this and keep it saved somewhere, because once you click on done, this key will not be visible. So please make sure you copy it and save it safely somewhere. Then we go to the OpenAI node, paste our API key, click on save. It's been saved and the connection is successful. This is the power of n8n. It makes integrating different applications together very easy. So our OpenAI node is also configured.